All right, here we are at the Holiday Inn, Panama City Beach, room 501. It's broken, but it still works. As you can see, you had a twist lock and a card reader. There's a tour of a standard king room at the Holiday Inn, Panama City, Florida. Plain old Holiday Inn in normal town, Panama City. This is your standard king room. Here is the foyer hallway area. We're gonna go start with the closet. Closet, you get a nice sized closet with a rack, ironing board, and safe, which works. Secondly, you have a huge bathroom, and you can actually tell just how large the counter space is, and I love this. Cubbies down there, hair dryer, toilet, one light for the shower, one light for the mirror. Both are excellent. You get shampoo, lotion, as well as 2 soaps, one for the shower, one for the sink. Great sink, shower, toilet. You get 3 sets of each towels, a washcloth, a little hand towel, and 3 big towels. Shower. It is a big shower, massaging shower head. I already stayed in this room, and I'm going to tell you, I have 0 complaints about it, which is kind of rare for a Holiday Inn. Everything's nice, everything's clean, the carpet's soft. It was definitely renovated recently. I'm not sure how recent, it could be a few years. But anyway, here is the look of the room. This is, like I said, your standard king, no sofa bed. First, we'll notice, actually, you gotta put your key in to turn the lights on. Thermostat works very well and turns the bed lights on. Everything else is hand controlled. Mirror, bench, vanity, hooks, very nice for coats because it is 40 degrees out right now. 40. Garbage, I have my stuff over there. This side of the bed, you get a nice nightstand with some hidden integrated outlets and USB ports. 4 pillows on the bed. Very comfortable bed. I love the back, the whole thing. Just love it. You get coffee maker, ice bucket with some K-cups, actually. Okay. I haven't used it, as you can see. Microwave, drawer, mini fridge, HD TV with a handful of, these are all SD channels, and there's about 15 HD channels. Here you have a menu, and for the breakfast and dinner. You can't find these online, I believe, so pause it now if you want to read it. This is a hand light, just turn it on like that. Outlets for the desk, which I've used. No HDMI, so if you want an HDMI and hook it up to the TV, you need to bring your own. It's cable only. AC unit, it's automatic from the thermostat, works great. Over here, we got the clock, also nice. More outlets and USB ports. I'm not sure what that button does. It could be a reset button. Phone, dial tone, I guess. Drawer. First, I think this is the first hotel room I've been in. There's no Bible or a Mormon book. Table, ottoman, desk chair, and well, my coat, and this chair with the light. All super comfortable and sits really well. I have to say, these chairs, excellent. I wish I had that in my house. Here's the view. This is room 501. This is a rear facing. This is a south-ish facing room. The water tower over there. The Panama City Mall's next door. This area is fine. It has the mall. It's not near the beach at all. Mostly a business hotel. That's it. Put any questions in the comments.